Microsoft Teams is a digital hub that brings conversations, content, assignments, and apps together in one place. Log in to the Office website using your school student username and password. If you do not see Teams in the list of available apps, click on Explore All Apps. Click on Teams to open the app within the browser. To navigate Microsoft Teams, use these buttons to switch between Activity Feed, Chat, Your Teams, Assignments, Calendar, and Files. You will find all your subjects in Teams. Each subject is created for you as a separate team. You can locate the subject you want to open by clicking the subject team. Under each subject team, you will find channels. These channels are known as topics or subject titles. Assignments allow teachers to create and distribute assignments. Students can complete and turn in their assignments without leaving the app. Teachers can give assignments by using various apps such as Microsoft Word, OneNote, and many more. OneNote Class Notebook has a personal workplace for every student, a content library for handouts, and a collaboration space for lessons and creative activities. In order to join your class meetings, you can find the meeting invitation in the channel of your team or on your team's calendar. Click to open the meeting item and select Join. You have various navigation buttons that allow you to turn your video feed on and off, mute and unmute yourself, send chat messages, access additional call controls, and leave the meeting. Remember to follow your teacher's instructions when using these navigation buttons.